There's a little totem I put together. Looks like a bird, or a backwards facing bird. It's propped up there pretty good. It's been up there for, I believe, a couple weeks now. These 3 bottom stones were found in the ground right back here. Some other ones that are still down there. This top one I found in South Weymouth. I made a video on this, how it makes some different faces and birds. There's a face there. That's a cool one. So I use that as the head of the bird. That's the body of the bird. And he's sitting on those flat rocks. You can kind of see the eye and his beak looking backwards. I thought that was pretty cool.